clean squid moves across a cold steel line. The body is white. The tentacles are trimmed. The surface shines with water. But only a few minutes earlier, the same squid arrived whole, slippery, dark, and untouched. In this Korean seafood factory, speed is not just impressive. Speed keeps the squid fresh. A trained worker can open, pull, and clear one squid in just a few seconds. The motion looks simple, but every cut must be exact. Too deep and the body tears. Too slow and the line falls behind. This is the quiet rhythm behind ready-to-cook Korean squid packs. From the fishing port to the washing tanks, from the gutting table to the freezer tunnel, every step is built around one goal: turn thousands of raw squid into clean, packed seafood before the freshness disappears.
The first real change begins with washing. Whole squid carry salt, sand, ink, and tiny pieces of sea debris.
The first real change begins with washing. Whole squid carry salt, sand, ink, and tiny pieces of sea debris. The factory removes everything before a knife ever touches the body. Cold water sprays from every side. The squid roll and turn inside steel drums, then pass under high-pressure rinses. Workers watch the color, the smell, and the skin. Squid that are too damaged leave the line. Squid with strong bodies move forward. Nothing is rushed yet. This part is about control. The water must be cold, the surface must stay clean, the squid must remain firm. After washing, the animals are lined up for the fastest and most satisfying step in the whole process: hand gutting. The workers are ready. The knives are small. The movement is almost too fast to follow.
Fold, cut, pull, clear, rinse.
Now the famous 3-second motion repeats again and again. One hand holds the squid body. The other hand opens the mantle and pulls the inside free. The head separates. The clear cartilage comes out. The ink sac is removed without breaking. To the viewer, it looks like one movement. To the worker, it is a sequence learned through thousands of repetitions. Hold, cut, pull, clear, rinse. The line does not stop. Every worker has a small zone on the table. Clean bodies move one way. Tentacles move another way. Waste moves into a separate channel. The factory is not chaotic. It is quiet, wet, and controlled. The speed only works because every object has a place.
Dimensions. The bodies pass into another section where workers peel and rinse them. The change is immediate. Dark purple becomes pale.
The squid is clean now, but not finished. A thin outer skin still covers the body. Some Korean products keep this skin for color and flavor, but ready-to-cook packs often need a smooth white finish. The bodies pass into another section where workers peel and rinse them. The change is immediate. Dark purple becomes pale white. Slippery skin separates from firm flesh. The tentacles are cleaned again, and the beaks are removed from the center. Nothing is wasted without reason. The best tubes will become whole cleaned squid. Smaller pieces will become rings, strips, or mixed seafood packs. The factory is already deciding the final product before the cutting begins.
The factory now splits the squid into different forms. Some tubes stay whole, some are cut into rings, some become long.
The factory now splits the squid into different forms. Some tubes stay whole, some are cut into rings, some become long strips for stir-fry packs. The cutting line is simple to watch, but difficult to keep perfect. The squid is soft, the flesh stretches, the blades must be sharp and cold. When the rings fall away from the tube, the product suddenly looks familiar. This is the moment when raw seafood becomes a supermarket item. The clean rings slide into trays. The tentacles are weighed beside them. Every portion must match the pack size. Too much weight loses money. Too little weight breaks trust. The factory checks again and again.
After cutting and portioning, the squid enters a freezing tunnel. Cold air rushes over the trays. The surface firms up. The rings separate instead of sticking together.
Fresh squid must stay cold from beginning to end. The factory does not let the product sit in warm air. After cutting and portioning, the squid enters a freezing tunnel. Cold air rushes over the trays. The surface firms up. The rings separate instead of sticking together. Whole tubes hold their shape. The tentacles become easier to pack. This step protects texture. When squid freezes too slowly, ice crystals can damage the flesh. When the temperature drops fast, the product stays cleaner and firmer after thawing. The line is calm, but the timing matters. The faster the squid moves from cleaning to freezing, the better the final pack will look.
Packaging begins when the squid no longer looks like raw material. Now it looks like a product.
Packaging begins when the squid no longer looks like raw material. Now it looks like a product. Whole tubes are placed in trays. Rings are portioned into bags. Tentacles are added for mixed packs. Air is removed. Film is sealed tight. The packaging protects the squid from freezer burn and keeps each portion clean until it reaches a kitchen. The machines move with steady rhythm. Trays slide forward. Plastic film drops. Heat bars close. Sealed packs leave the line in perfect rows. Workers check the corners, the weight, the seal, and the shape. A pack that looks simple on a store shelf has already passed through dozens of small decisions.
Then water washed it, hands cleaned it, knives opened it, workers removed the inside in seconds, rollers peeled it, blades shaped it, cold air froze it, plastic sealed it.
The last stage is quiet. The finished packs are boxed, stacked, and moved into cold storage. The squid has changed completely. At the start, it was whole and covered in ice from the sea. Then water washed it, hands cleaned it, knives opened it, workers removed the inside in seconds, rollers peeled it, blades shaped it, cold air froze it, plastic sealed it. Now the final product is ready for restaurants, markets, and home kitchens across Korea. The most satisfying part was not just the speed of one worker. It was the entire system around that speed. Every rinse, cut, tray, belt, and seal protected the same thing: freshness. A 3-second motion begins the transformation, but the whole factory finishes it.